everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. So guys, in our previous session we have covered what all functions we have in our regular expressions. In our today's session we will be talking about the match object in regular expression. So guys, first of all, let's understand what is this match object, and then we will be talking about all the functions that we have with the match object. So guys, match object over here is something that contains all the information about the search. So if you have used the search function, and in that whatever information that search is holding, match object contains it all, and it uses different functions over here. For example, it uses the starting value, the ending value, the span over here, and you can group the values. You can obtain the values from the group that you want, the starting value, or you want the second group value. So you can obtain all those things with the help of what? With the help of match object. The match basically contains all the information about the search function, and not just search function but the result, whatever result we are getting over here. And if there is no match found, then none will be returned. So if there is no match, in that case none will be returned, and if there is a match, it will give us all the information, all the required information. Now what all functions do we have in our match object? We will be looking at that with the help of the examples. So first of all, let's import RE here. After that, I'll be creating a string. A is equals to John has scored 89 marks. Okay, every time John scores something new. I don't know how many marks he has been scoring, but lately he has been scoring good marks. So last example that we took, he scored I guess 98 marks, and now it's 89. Okay, now moving ahead and talking about our match object over here. For match object, all we need to do is we need to create a variable. For example, I'll be just creating match is equals to re.search. So we'll be using search here because it takes all the information from the search, right? We can provide it with any pattern. So as of now, I'm just providing with the backslash and D and plus, that means reoccurring value of any decimal number here inside our string A. And after this, if I want to get the result, that means I want to get the output over here. Then what is the string over here? I want to get that. Plus I want to get a regular expression of what is the regular expression from this match over here. That means I want to obtain the regular expression plus the output. In that case, plus the string basically. So in that case, I'll be writing print match.re, and in the next line I'll be printing. So let's just print first of all match.re. So if I write match.re, it will give me re.compile \\d plus. That means it will give me the regular expression that we have used over here. So next thing that we will write over here is match.string. If I want to obtain string, in that case I'll be writing string, and as soon as I'll run it, I'll obtain the string, that what string has been used. As I said, that it holds all the information that is there in the search. Now what next information that we want over here is, let's say if I want to write match.startValue. So for that I'll be writing start, open close the parentheses, and we will be getting the starting value is 16. That means the index number at which this is starting is 16. And the index number at which it ends. For that we will be writing print match.endEnd. So we will be writing END here. And as soon as I'll run this as well, I'll get the output. The ending value is 18 here. And similarly, if I want to talk about that the starting value to the ending value, what is the span? Okay. So for that I'll be writing match.span. For that I'll be writing span here with the function. So basically these are the functions. So we'll be using the pair of parentheses. So the starting value is 16 and the ending value is 18 here. So we have obtained the span in this way. Similarly, if you want to obtain a group over here, in that case what you can do, you can simply write match.group, and as soon as we'll run it, so we'll be getting 89 here as our group, that this is our matching value over here. Suppose if I want to obtain let's say I want to obtain 89 plus I want to obtain M here. Okay, in that case if I'll run it, you will now see I will obtain 89 plus I will obtain M. And if I'll write let's say 1 in the group, in that case I'll only obtain 89. So we have obtained 89 plus M over here. Okay, this is how we can obtain the values that we are getting N, M here, and plus we are getting the 89 here. Okay, so these are all functions that are there with our match. One is the RE that gives us the regular expression. Then we have the string which gives us the string here. The starting value, that means the index value that starts at the index value at which it starts. The ending, that means the search wherever the search is ending. The span, that is what is the difference, what is the span between the starting value and the ending value. And lastly, the group, if you want to obtain the group here, in that case you can simply write match.group, then it will provide you with the group here. So I hope guys that here match object is clear to you. In our next session we are going to talk about how we can verify the numbers, how we can verify the email addresses. So I have been talking about this topic from a very long time. So now finally we are going to talk about it. Finally we are going to see how it works. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.